This is how I made this delicious Chinese black bean sauce. First, the lists of the ingredients I used. Red bell pepper, mushroom, carrot, broccoli, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, locust beans, also known as black beans, soy sauce, ginger and garlic, salt, nor seasoning cube. So I heated my oil in a pan and added my chopped veggies, allowed to heat up for a few minutes. And I went in with my broccoli and mushroom, and also the black bean, then my soy sauce, added a little bit of salt and nor seasoning cubes, and let them steam for a few minutes, and it was all ready. You can have it with potatoes or white rice.
Esse é o comum.